What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As promised, I am doing a farm tour. So, yeah. So let's go. Hello, Momo. Hello. Have a good time seeping, seepy boy. Hello. Okay, and there's two cows back there snuggling. Let's go to the barn because there's more shade up there. Chickens, chickens. All of them are terrified of us. Chickens. More chickens over there. There's a wild lion. Can you roar for us? Roar. I love you. More chickens. Okay. Let's go into here. What's in here? Nothing. More chickens. Chicken bunnies. Bunnies. Can you be quiet? Hello, bunny. Bunny there. I'll walk over here. A bunch of cows over here. That one looks like a deer. Okay, there's more cows in these pens. Yeah, we have a lot of cows. Hello, lion. You're a ferocious lion. Okay, let's go through this wonderful gate. 100% awesome gate. Move it or lose it, kitten. Okay, so we are walking up on some more bunnies. Hello. These ones are my favorite. I love you. We got some more over there. Albino, most of them. We've got some chickens taking over the cow pens. Clover, Jack. Come on. Okay, I gotta show you my favorite bunnies. Their names? Clover. Jack, come out. Come on, Jack. And there's Jack. They're This is me compared to them. Yeah, they're pretty big bunnies. Let me get out of here before one of them decides to eat me because they're so big. Okay. All good. Let's go through this gate. We have a lot of gates on this property. And that was just the barn. Ryan's favorite thing on the farm, tractor. We've got the shop just filled with all the tools that we fixed the four-wheelers with. There's one four-wheeler. Yeah, now you know why we need to fix them. So let's walk over here. We've got some, I don't know if you can see them that well, but we've got some sheep all the way down there. Hey, Mom! Mom's down there fixing them. She might be back up by the time that we're done. Okay, so here's the porch area where we just sit, look at the sheep. Why is the grill turned over? Go. Okay. The sheepies go. Hey, Mom. Mom. Hi. Good. Okay. I'll be down there in a little bit. Okay, Molly. I don't know how she's wearing a short skirt. This is the trampoline in the area where the sheep used to stay, but they've eaten all the grass. So, if we just run up this hill, jog up this hill, we've got so many pins up here. A lot of stuff. I am the king. Don't question me in my king hand. Okay. If we walk over here, here's Mom's garden that she plowed down with the tractor because it's, as you might not know, it's basically winter time. Nothing would grow. Look at the wild gopher. Hello, my friend. He's not one of our animals, but he hangs out under the porch like he owns it. Yeah, I'm talking about you, gopher. Groundhog. Your name is Beaver. Why is everything turned over? This is the porch. Stay tuned and I'll do an inside tour later. But I'm still not in the middle of school, but I've finished all my work early. I just have something that I need, a Google Meet that I have to do later. So I'm just recording in my spare time. You're gonna get a lot of recordings, people. There's the other porch. It's not the best of a porch. So, yeah. It's not the whole farm, but I don't think I'll have time to do, I don't feel like walking you around all of the super secret areas and stuff. Sneaky. How do we get down there? No, I don't feel like it. I'll see you guys in just a second. Okay, I slipped under the gate. Let's go. Dick, 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 dick. There's where the cows were. Now they're up there, somewhere at the 40 acres. The sheep is, the neighbor's horses. You'll probably be hearing their dogs a lot in this video. And hello. Hi, Ron. Good. Yep, you're being YouTubed.
I'm turning up this fence row is what I'm doing. We moved on this farm about a year ago, and it needed a lot of work. So every day, try to do something. And this is what I'm doing today.
She also made that hat for Ryan.
The one he's throwing on the ground?
Yeah, the one he's trying to. Nice little rainbow hat. I'm just gonna put that right there. Oh yeah, we naturally just play with dangerous weapons.
I'm a knitter.
We got rope. There are the sheep. I'm gonna go closer to the sheep.
Tell them about the sheep. We were living in the backyard and we had to move them into this field.
Yeah, I already told them that they ate all the grass in there, and then we moved them over here. Hello, sheepies. Meow meow. I'm a kitty cat. Oh yeah, they run. Yeah, this is about as close as we're gonna get to them, so... Ryan, what are you doing? You got fat feet right there. Let's go back up and see Mommy. Why do you just flop on the ground when you're mad? Come on. Well guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Yay! Yay! Yay!